Hello, parents. I wanted to share with you about our homework that your children will be receiving starting Tuesday. The homework will be a little different than it has been up till this point this year. And starting on Tuesday, your child will be bringing home a new homework folder that looks like this. We call it our learning folder. Your child's name will be on a sticker right here. And they will also be bringing home a folder that looks like this. This is their fluency folder. And they will be bringing home a bag that has 3 books in it. So let me start with the learning folder. So this is their learning folder. On the learning folder, it has these little cards on the outside. These are the alphabet cards that we use in the classroom. We call them the sound spelling cards. So the kids will recognize them as the ones that we use in class every day. On the inside of the learning folder, on this side, you will find their actual homework. Now this is the homework log that you will see, and it will be in here all the time. Okay, and it tells you exactly what you should do with your child every night. Okay, so every single night you're going to watch a letter sound video that's on YouTube. Mrs. DeVoe and I made this video, and this is something that's done Monday through Thursday. That's why it's at the top. So you go to YouTube and search 2021 Sound Spelling Card Routine May Ranch. All right, it's about a 2-minute video. What you're going to want to do is at the first 3 minutes are Mrs. DeVoe talking about what the routine is. If you go, you can listen to it, but for most nights you're going to want to go to minute 3 and have your child do the sound spelling routine with Mrs. DeVoe and I. This is really important. It teaches your child the letters and sounds. So this is every night. And then over here, it tells you what you're going to be doing with your child each night. So on Mondays, your child will do a seesaw activity. And then they're also going to do 2 pages in their fluency folder. Okay, and this is the fluency folder. Okay, so your child will come home with this. So on Mondays, they're going to do 2 pages in this book. So the first page tells you all about their fluency folder. Okay, and what they'll do in the fluency folder is you're going to pick 2 pages. The first part of the folder is all letters and sounds, and in the back there's some that are numbers. Okay, so what we would like you to do is in the evenings when it asks you to use this folder, do one that is letters and do one that is numbers. And what we want you to do is have them do just 1 minute and have them say the names of the letters. Okay, so I'll do it. So they would go L, R, A, C, H, Q, H, and then keep going. And when they get to the end of the line, come down here and do the next line. Now I know many of your students do not know the letters. So what you would do with your child if they do not know the letters, make them put their finger here. I call this their reading finger. And you say L, make them say L. You say R, make them say R. You say A, make them say A. And practice. And do that for 1 minute. Okay, don't make them do that for a long time. Okay, 1 minute. And then come back and do the same thing with the numbers. 1 minute. Okay? So that's their fluency folder. And there are directions here. And then the other thing you would do on Monday, read the take-home book with your student. So these are take-home books. Each week your child will get different books in the take-home folder, in the take-home bag. There are 3 books per week. Okay, so on Monday and Wednesday, you would be reading one of these books with your child. Okay, they can't read yet. This is for you to read to them. So you would pick a book, like this is a little book. You could read this book to your child, okay, and talk to them about the story as you're reading it. Look at the pictures. Have your child tell you what they think is happening in the picture. Okay, so discuss the story as you're reading it. Now, some of the books will have words that they might be able to start telling you the sounds, especially as they get better at reading. Okay, like for example, these books. Okay, so they might be able to tell you that's an A. Socks was a box. So if they can tell you some of the words, they can read with you. So this will be the books you'll read on Monday and Wednesday. Now on Tuesday and Thursdays, your child will be bringing home a book that is a paper book that we will have done in class. Okay? And these books, they will read with you. So they should be able to read them. So like on Tuesday, they will bring home this book and you will read this book with them. So if you look here, these are called decodable books. So here on Tuesday it says read your decodable reader book with your parent. Okay? So that would be a book that is made of paper. So you can see this book, we've been working on the word I and can. So they should be able to read those words with you. Okay? So on Tuesdays and Thursdays, they'll get paper books. So the other activity that they'll be doing for homework is seesaw activities, and those are on the computer, and I'll be showing you those in a minute. I would like to finish talking about this folder first. Okay, so the other thing that's on this folder is a behavior log. So this is going to always be on this side, and you'll see here there's a calendar. So for next week, we do not have school on Monday because of Labor Day. They'll be at school on Tuesday. So they have these little hats for each day of the week. If you watched our back to school night video, we have a behavior system in class where we have a little clip chart, and everybody starts out on green on the clip chart. All right, and then their clip can either move up because they're having a super good day, or if they need redirection, their clip moves down. And so the behavior chart directions are here. Each day before they come home, they'll be coloring a hat. And you need to check this every day. The color of the hat will tell you how their day was. If their hat is green, if you look here, green means I had a good day. Okay? If their hat is yellow, orange, or red, that means they did not have a great day. Okay? So, but green, blue, or purple means they had an awesome day. So this says, please check your child's behavior log every day. So you need to check here every day. All right, so that is the homework.